When I started freelancing over 6 years ago, I really didn't understand what it took to run a successful freelancing business. But now I can definitely go over some steps that are super important when starting your freelancing business that you don't want to miss, and you'll definitely be better off than how I started. First off, can you really start freelancing online for free? Yes, absolutely. It will just take you a bit more practice and a bit more time than the most that are taking courses or having a one-on-one mentor. If you don't have a well-defined skill yet, such as social media manager, graphic design, you can start learning from free tutorials online and start practicing. So step one, find your passion. Understand what you really want to do online and what are the types of services you will really love doing every day and offering to clients. So that can be website design, video editing, photography, product photography, logo design, and so much more. Try and envision doing that for a living and doing that every day for clients and see if you enjoy it. Other than that, you will also need to envision creating content on those topics. So talking about that specific thing a lot in your content so you can attract an audience and new clients. But first, if there's one thing you need to make sure of, is that you really enjoy doing that thing and you don't do it for the money, because whatever business you start, money will come if you really care about your clients and do your job well. Moving on to step number 2, learn, and take lots of notes, watch tutorials, practice, and do it all again. Get better and get inspired by your favorite artists, your favorite people in the area that you're trying to improve in. Keep track of the things you love. For example, as a photographer, make a Pinterest board with all your favorite photos. If you're a wedding photographer, keep track of your favorite wedding photos so you can learn different techniques, different styles, and really try to understand what your unique style is. But of course, you will only know that by practicing. So go out there, take lots of photos, edit them, and do it all over again. And then the third step is to build your portfolio. In order to actually get to paid clients, you firstly need to build a portfolio so people can see your work and the way you do things in your area with the skill that you have. So if you want to become a Pinterest manager, start creating Pinterest pins in Canva for different niches and show them as an example on your website, even though you created them for free and for yourself and just as practice and not for a specific client. And to be able to start pitching clients and get paid clients for your freelancing business, you need exactly that, a website. And you can get one for free today using Kinsta, today's video sponsor. Kinsta is a web hosting service designed for businesses that rely on WordPress every single day. They go above and beyond to keep your site running smoothly, handling the technical details so you can focus on what matters most, growing your business. With Kinsta taking care of your hosting, you get reliable performance, top-notch support, and peace of mind knowing that your website is in expert hands. Kinsta offers you the first month for free of managed WordPress hosting for your business, so you can start with $0. You can start up today, start building your freelancing website with the free work that you've provided, and then keep growing your portfolio so you can be able to get paid clients as an online freelancer. You can grow your portfolio, your reviews, as well as your confidence as a freelancer and your skills. A few things you should know about Kinsta is that it provides fast speed. Just by moving to Kinsta without doing anything else, customers can experience up to 200% faster sites. Then security. Kinsta provide enterprise-grade security to protect customer sites and data. Then an intuitive custom dashboard called My Kinsta that makes managing a site or multiple sites a breeze. And it is super user-friendly, so easy to use. And then whenever you have a problem, you can contact Kinsta and they will reply within minutes with unmatched human-only support, so they do not rely on bots. And again, Kinsta's team replies in different languages in a matter of minutes. So you can click the link below to try Kinsta for free for 30 days and start your freelancing website, build your portfolio, and start getting clients. Next, so you can have more content you can share on your site and your expertise and in your social media content and all of that, you can start offering free work to multiple brands or to people that you're working with, depending on the area that you are freelancing in. You can tell them that you offer this free work or discounted work in exchange for being able to use those photos, for example, in your portfolio, and for an honest testimonial from them. That can either be a video testimonial or a text testimonial. Once you start doing those, goes and you start building up your portfolio, I'm sure that your confidence will also grow and you'll be able to start pitching paid clients, and you'll be able to start creating content so paid clients can come to you. So that's a great way to start landing paid clients on social media, by recording your progress, recording your growth before and afters, showing what you do every day, offering different tips and tricks for people that might need your services, or just offering photography tips, for example, editing tips, and so on. When you're creating your website, make sure that you have a dedicated page for your freelancing services that feature exactly what you do and what the packages contain, as well as your rate. If you're a photographer, make sure to also include what the clients can expect from you and the time frame that you're able to do that service in. So for example, the package contains 50 edited photos and I can do this service in a matter of 10 days. Besides the services page on your website, you want to also feature the portfolio page. The portfolio page should have different categories. So for example, if you're a product photographer and you want to showcase your work in a portfolio on your site, make sure to include different categories. So for example, jewelry, skincare, makeup, so all the categories that you've taken product photos in. And the next step is to never stop creating content. This is how you will attract people. This is how your business will grow. So you can start a YouTube channel to showcase your skills, Instagram and TikTok short videos. You can use all these types of content to share tips, showcase your previous work and testimonials, share your progress, and more. Let it be your everyday portfolio for people to see. And the next step is to stay true to your brand, your niche, and create content that you truly care about. And do this because you truly enjoy it, not for the money. This and caring about your clients will truly help you build a successful freelancing business. So there you go. This is how you can start freelancing today and build a website for free. Let me know in the comments below if you've started your freelancing website yet and what type of portfolio are you building. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such videos, and I will see you in my next one.